What are the various formulations of the synthetic analog of the arginine vasopressin known as DDAVP? Several formulations are available. Intranasal solution of 100 micrograms per ml, intranasal spray of 10 micrograms per spray, parenteral injections of 4 micrograms per ml, either IV or IM, used rarely. In the hair hickory test, we use the parenteral DDAVP. The oral tablets of desmopressin acetate, 200 microgram tablets, roughly 10 micrograms of intranasal dose is equivalent to 200 micrograms of oral tablet. So, these are the various formulations, and for people with CDI, the central diabetes insipidus, they require a lifelong replacement of vasopressin DDAVP. So, it is preferable to put them either on oral tablet or on intranasal spray or solution. Desmopressin or DDAVP. Before we put a patient on DDAVP, all patients should be admitted prior to the commencement of therapy. Desmopressin acetate is available under the following trade names as DDAVP, Stimitate or Minirin. This is a long-acting analog, synthetic analog of the naturally occurring vasopressin of the posterior pituitary. It acts mainly on the collecting ducts of the renal tubules and increases the water reabsorption using the aquaporin 2 channels. So, dear friends, with this we conclude our talk on water homeostasis and polyuria, its differential diagnosis and the mechanisms involved in that. I am ending this with a final call from our ancient scriptures. Yo apam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasuman bhavati. Yo apam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasuman bhavati. Ya evam veda yopamayatanam veda ayatanavan bhavati. Samvatsaro vapam ayatanam ayatanavan bhavati. Yat samvatsarasyayatanam veda ayatanavan bhavati. Ya evam veda yopamayatanam veda ayatanavan bhavati. Yo apam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasman bhavati. Yo, whosoever Veda knows or understands that apam means water, pushpam is the cause of prosperity, is the symbol of prosperity, is the mechanism to attain prosperity. Whosoever knows that water is the cause of all prosperity, yo apam pushpam veda, whosoever understands the message that water is the cause of all prosperity, pushpavan, very prosperous, prajavan, blessed with progeny, pashuman, blessed with lot of riches and cattle, bhavati, becomes. Yo apam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasuman bhavati. Ya evam veda yopamayatanam veda. So, dear human beings, all of you, please understand that water is the essential thing for our prosperity. And if anyone who understands this message, he will be blessed with progeny, he will be blessed with cattle and riches, he will be blessed with all prosperity. It is essential that all of us conserve water. If we look at our kidneys and our water homeostasis, we know how much of mechanism is involved to conserve water without wasting the water. If the same is carried forward in our life and we conserve water, we leave something to drink for the posterity. Otherwise, this planet one day will be devoid of water and will be devoid of life. Please carry this message to whosoever you meet. Thank you all.